Not many things can function without electricity. What would life be like without it? No light after dark, no fresh food in the fridge, no charge for your smartphone, and no energy from power banks. Some of our electrical appliances are perhaps not so critical in the event of a power cut. But try to think, what things would be like on a bigger scale? Let's have a look. Here. Service reliability plays an essential role in manufacturing plants. Power cuts can cause damage and downtime that can amount to millions of dollars. Disruptions can also reduce your profits and damage your reputation as a reliable partner, and can even give rise to contractual issues, causing you to incur charges for failing to meet agreed service levels. And things can get even worse. Imagine what an unplanned power outage can do to a hospital. Low-voltage equipment plays a vital role in the distribution of electricity to consumers. As with all electromechanical equipment, low-voltage equipment needs to be maintained regularly. And who better than ABB to maintain your circuit breakers? Maintenance is so crucial for safety and performance that we have training centers, where ABB field service technicians learn how to provide highest quality services for delivery both in the production facility and at the customer's site. We are here to help, of course, but we also believe in the importance of sharing up-to-date professional skills with our customers, enabling them to conduct scheduled maintenance directly on their breakers. ABB offers you 3 different stages of maintenance: corrective, in the event of disruption; scheduled, to periodically monitor the equipment; and predictive. As we all know, prevention is better than cure. That's why ABB provides you with Leap and My Site Care for continuous monitoring of the equipment while the circuit breakers are running. Customers can also receive warnings about imminent failures by connecting to the ABB My Remote Care server. The system collects key performance data and processes it using ABB's proprietary algorithms to determine risk levels. The service sends out a warning in case of emergency, but you can also access My Remote Care for data analysis with just a simple internet connection. With real data available, the troubleshooting and repair processes are also simplified, and upkeep costs are optimized thanks to scheduled checks. The result? It becomes much easier to avoid unexpected outages that would be expensive to fix. And should they occur, uptime is maximized. And we know just how important uptime is for your business. Ensure best performance and stay within planned maintenance budgets by signing a customized service agreement with us. Partner up with ABB today. Then sit back and enjoy your core business.